This is memories of chicken dinners gone past. Oh, what happened? What happened? Are you enjoying your dinner? Say hi.
Hi.
Alright, Logan, you gotta do something funny for the camera.
Playoffs? Playoffs? Who said about playoffs?
Jay, say, I'm a man. I'm 40. Look at Jay's delicious food. No. Alright, Beck, say something funny for the camera.
3.
Ooh, funny faces. Okay, Em, what do you got? Oh, nice.
Yucky.
Oh, what are you saying?
Yucky.
Yeah, yucky.
I got a big mustache. It's a big mustache.
Let's see your mustache.
Big